I hope all of you are doing fine.
Good evening,
Sorry,
sir.
I got a little late. There was some problem with my system. Okay, anyways, let's continue with the session. So everyone, in the last session, we were talking about the guarantee of profit to the partner. And in this topic, we on based on this topic, we have done few questions, and I think we have also completed its theoretical explanation. So let's just, before proceeding further with the question, let's just recall everything, and then we will do a few more questions based on the same concept. The point of discussion for today's session will also remain same. We will also today we'll discuss few more questions based on the same topic. So let's continue with the session. So just a minute. Okay. Yeah. So first of all, in this topic, we talked about the meaning of the guarantee of profit, wherein I have explained that guarantee is a kind of surety given by a particular partner to a new partner regarding for a particular amount of money or a profit. And if such amount is not, uh, the profit is not derived by that partner, if the guaranteed amount of profit is not given to the partner, then the partner who have given such guarantee shall be liable to bear the deficiency of such profit. And I guess I've also told you that the guarantee of profit can be further classified as the guarantee given by the firm. That means all the partners in a firm have given guarantee to one partner, or there is a possibility that only one partner or one of the partner of the partnership firm gives guarantee to the other partner. So guarantee can move from the partner to partner, or it can be also from the firm, that means by all the partners to one individual partner. Okay. So if it is given by one individual partner to the other individual partner, this is called guarantee given by the partner to the other partner. All right. And if the guarantee is given by all the partner to some other person, then it will be called guarantee given by the firm. So based on the guarantee of profit, we did question number 36, question number 37 also. Then in the last session as well, we were talking about the guarantee of profit, wherein we discussed the question number 38. And after that, we have also covered question number 39 in the last session. So we have completed till question 39. So we'll move to the next question, start with question number 40. So today we will start with this question. This question might seems lengthy, and it might looks difficult for all of you, but this is a simple question. So let's just first of all read this question carefully, and then we will start with the solution. So the question says that Asghar, Chaman, yeah, okay. So it says that Asghar, Chaman, and Dholu are partners in a firm, and their capital account stood at 6 lakh, 5 lakh, and 4 lakh respectively. On 1st of April 2020, uh, they share profit and losses in the proportion of 4:2:3, and and are entitled to interest on capital at 8% per annum, and salary to Chaman and Dholu is 7,000 per month, rupees 1,000 per quarter respectively. Okay. As per the provision of the partnership deed, Dholu's share of profit excluding interest on capital but including salary is guaranteed at a minimum of rupees 1,10,000 per annum. Any deficiency arising on that account shall be met by Asghar. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2021 amounts to 4,24,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. All right. So first of all, the question is saying that we need to prepare the P&L appropriation. All right. And the information like the capital of the partners is given. All the partners have contributed 6 lakh, 5 lakh, and 4 lakhs of capital respectively. Their PSR is also given. Profit sharing ratio is given as 4 is to 2 is to 3. Then partners are entitled. Question says that all the partners are entitled to claim interest on their capital. Okay, so we already learned how to deal with the interest on capital part. Then question also specify that Chaman and Dolu both are entitled to claim salary. Chaman is entitled for 7,000 per month, and Dolu will be entitled to claim a salary of 10,000 per quarter. Okay. Then now the guarantee part comes into picture. Here it says that Dholu's share of profit. That means Dholu have been promised. Dholu have been provided with a guarantee that he will be maintaining a profit of at least 1,10,000. He must be getting 1,10,000 per annum in the form. And if there is any deficiency, if Dholu is unable to maintain such amount of revenue, then in such a situation, Asgar will be entitled to bond the deficiency. That means in this question, Asgar is giving the guarantee to Dholu. All right. Now you need to read this part very carefully. The thing which is in bracket, it says that guarantee is see Dholu share of profit excluding interest but including salary guaranteed at a minimum of 1,10,000. That means it is guaranteed to Dholu that the sum total of profit and salary should be equal to 1,10,000. He will get 1,10,000 collectively. Collectively means profit, including profit as well as salary. So he should at least maintain 1,10,000, including the amount of profit and the amount of salary. Okay, and if there is any deficiency, such deficiency will be borne by the Asgar only, not Chaman. Okay, and question also tells you about the profit of the firm, 4,24,000. So I hope the question is clear to all of you. So we will start with the P&L appropriation first of all. So guys, I want all of you to prepare the format of the P&L appropriation, and then we will start dealing with the items one by one. So let's continue with the P&L appropriation part. Everyone, please draw the format of the P&L appropriation. And just let me know if I'm audible or not, because I think there's some problem with my earbuds. I'm not sure whether I'm able to hear you all or not. Could anyone please say something?
You are audible, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Oh, you are also audible to me. Okay. Okay, let's continue with the question. We will first of all draw the P&L appropriation, and then we'll say the all the items one by one. So guys, I want all of you to start with the P&L appropriation part. I'm sure all of you must have drawn the format of the P&L appropriation, uh, profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so first of all, in this format, we will write down the value of the profit. So net profit is already given in the question by net profit 4,24,000. 4,24,000 was the profit given in the question. See at the very end of the question, uh, highlighted by the blue color, it is the net profit 4,24,000. Okay. After that, question says that they start with the very beginning. Question says that the capital of the partner are 6, 5, and 4. Their PSR is 4:2:3, and it says that interest on capital at 8% per annum needed to be given to the partner. So let's calculate the interest on capital. So we will write down to interest on capital. To interest on capital. Let's write down the name of the partner. Name of the partner are Asgar, Chaman, and Dholu. Asgar, Chaman, and Dholu. Okay. So capital contribution by Asgar was 6 lakhs, 5 lakh, and 4 lakh respectively. 6, 5, and 4 lakh respectively. And the rate of interest applicable on this capital is 8% per annum. 8% and 8%. So 8% of 6 lakh is
48,000.
48,000, correct, and 40,000
40,000.
and 32,000.
32,000.
Okay, very good. After that, question also tells you that Chaman and Dholu are entitled to claim salary. Chaman is entitled to claim salary as 7,000 per month, but Dholu will be claiming 10,000 per quarter. Okay, so let's calculate their salaries. To salary, Chaman and Dholu. So Chaman is will be getting 7,000 per month. That means there are 12 months in a year. So simply we will multiply it by 12. We will get 84,000, I guess. Yes. And Dholu's salary will be 10,000 per quarter. So how many quarters are there in a year? How many quarters are there in a year, guys? There are 4 quarters. Na?
4.
Quarter means, see, there are four quarters in a year. Quarter means period of 3 months. So 12 divided by 3 will get 4 quarters. So that means Dholu will be claiming 10,000 for 4 quarters. So 10,000 multiplied by 4, he will get 40,000. So sum total of 84 plus 40,000, it will be 1,24,000. All right, everyone, is this clear to all of you? Calculation of salary is clear to all of you guys.
Yes, sir.
Anyone
Yes,
having
sir.
doubt?
It's clear.
Heba, Mariam, Ayan?
Yes, sir.
No. After that, question talks about the guarantee amount. Okay, so we will talk about it. Let's just first calculate the divisible profit and then calculate it among the partners. So since there is only one item on the credit side and we have all these items on the debit side. So in order to find out the divisible profit, I'm sure all of you already know, we will subtract all the credit side values out of the debit side value. So we will get just a minute. 4,24,000, subtracting 48,000 out of it, then 40,000, then 32,000. So it will be 304,000 and then finally 1,24,000. So the profit will be 1,80,000. The divisible amount of profit will be 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Now this 1,80,000 need to be divided among the partners. So to profit transferred to profit transferred to, first of all, profit will be given to Asghar, then Chaman, and then there is one more partner, Dhulu. Okay. Okay. So what is their profit sharing ratio? Their profit sharing ratio was 4:2:3. So we will simply divide 1,80,000 in their profit sharing ratio first of all. So 1,80,000. Asghar share will be 4:2:3 was the ratio. Okay. So Asghar share will be 4 by 9. Is that correct? 4 by 9. So that means Asghar is going to get 80,000. Is that right, everyone? 1,80,000 divided by 9 into 4. So I guess it will be 80,000. Chaman is going to get 1,80,000 into his share was 2 by 9. So that means Chaman will be getting,
40,000.
sorry,
40,000.
40,000. I'm sorry. So we divide by 9. Okay. Yeah. So he will be getting 40,000. And finally, Dholu's share will be 1,80,000 into 3 by 9. So he will be getting
60,000.
60,000. Okay, so these are their share: 80,000, 40,000, 60,000. Now let's talk about the guarantee amount. Let's talk about the guarantee. See, who has been given guarantee? Guarantee was given to Chaman, right? No, sorry. Dholu has been provided with a guarantee. No, okay. So Dholu's share of profit excluding interest should be at least 1,10,000. All right. So let's just calculate Dholu's share. Just a minute. Guaranteed amount. We will calculate the deficiency. All right. So for that purpose, for calculating deficiency, what we will do for calculating deficiency in profit, we will write down the guaranteed amount first of all. Guaranteed amount minus share in profit. Share in profit including just a minute, guys. There is some problem with my visualizer. Okay. So share of profit including the salary part. Including salary. Why we are adding salary this time? Because he was guaranteed 1,10,000. His guaranteed amount was 1,10,000 per annum, including the salary. So total amount of profit was how much? Dholu got 60,000 as profit, and salary that he got is 40,000. So total amount he already received is 60,000 plus 40,000, but the guaranteed amount was 1,10,000. That means there is a deficiency of rupees how much? 10,000. 10,000 is the deficiency. All right, is this clear to all of you, everyone? Is this clear? Deficiency of Dholu's will be 10,000. Is this clear to all of you or not? Anybody want me to explain this part again? I can do that. Please tell me, guys, whether this point is clear or not. Let me explain it again. See what we have done. The question is saying that Dholu has been provided with a guarantee of rupees 1,10,000, including the salary, excluding interest on capital, but including salary. That means for finding out the total amount, total guaranteed amount, what we will do, we will take the profit that he have got, plus we will also take the salary. Okay, so the profit that he maintained was 60,000, and the salary that he received is 40,000. That means total amount that he received from the firm is 1 lakh, but the guaranteed amount was how much? 1,10,000. That means there is a clear deficiency of rupees 10,000. Is this clear to all of you? Guaranteed amount was 1,10,000. Amount received, including salary plus profit, is 60 plus 40. That will be 1 lakh. So there is a deficiency of 10,000. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no?
It is clear.
Yes. Okay. Now tell me who is going to bond this deficiency? Who will be bearing this deficiency? Whose liability it will be to bear this deficiency? Whether Asgar and Chaman both will collectively bear this deficiency and compensate Dholu for his loss, or only one of the partner will be bearing this deficiency. Tell me, who is going to bear this deficiency? See, if you are able to understand, the question simply says, question clearly says that the deficiency arising on account shall be met by Asgar only, right? That means only Asgar will be bearing this deficiency. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So all we need to do in order to settle the guarantee amount, what we will do, we will simply subtract 10,000 from Asgar's account. So Asgar's profit will only be 70,000. Chaman's profit will be 40,000, and Dholu's profit he will be getting 10,000 from Asgar's capital account. That means his total profit will be, tell me, it will be 70,000, right? Make sure that is sum total of 70 plus 40 and 70, it should be equal to 1,80,000. Since the divisible profit was only 1,80,000, so 70 plus 40, 1,10,000 plus 70, it will be 1,80,000. Now you can total the credit and the debit side. So credit and debit side should have the equal balance, 4,24,000. 4,24,000. Tell me, is this clear, everyone? Anybody want me to explain any specific part of the solution? Anybody want to ask anything, guys? Please let me know. Otherwise, we will move to the next question. Mariam, Hiba, Ayan, doubts?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Okay. Khushi, is this clear to you as well? Ayan, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So moving on to the next question. So that was our question number 40. Now, question number 41. Okay, so question number 41. See, in this question, first of all, we are also required, we need to prepare the P&L appropriation as well. We will be required to prepare the journal entries as well. Okay, so it will take some time to solve it. So let's just start with the question number 41. Let's just read it once. It says that 3 chartered accountants, A, B, and C are there. They have jointly formed a partnership. Profit being, they have decided to share the profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. Okay, now question says that C's share of profit guaranteed to be not less than 15,000 per annum. Okay, so C was being guaranteed in this question. C has been guaranteed that he will receive at least 15,000 per annum. Okay, now question B part of the question also says that B gives guarantee to the effect that gross fee earned by him for the firm shall be equal to his average gross fee of the preceding 5 years when he was carrying on profession alone, which on an average works out at 25,000 per annum. 25,000. Okay. The profit for the first year of the partnership are 75,000. The gross fee earned by B for the firm is 16,000. You are required to show the profit and loss appropriation account. After giving effect to the above, also pass the necessary general entries. Okay. So see, the first part of the question is very simple. Only I guess the point B is problematic since the language of this part is somewhat unclear what it is trying to say. But I'll explain it. I'll explain it to you and make it uh, simple for you. So let's just first read it one more time. The question is basically saying that there are three partners already. They are sharing the profit and ratio. Profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1, and C has been guaranteed that he will be given 15,000 per annum. That will be the minimum amount that he will maintain being a partner in the partnership firm. Now see, B is also giving the guarantee to the firm. First of all, C is given guarantee. All right, so the firm is providing guarantee to the C, and now B is himself saying that he will generate revenue equals to 25,000 for firm. The entire statement, the entire statement in point B simply means that B is giving a guarantee that being a partner, he will generate a revenue equals to 25,000. This entire statement basically means this, that B is ensuring the firm, B is giving guarantee to the firm that being a partner to the firm, he will at least generate a revenue of 25,000 in the 1 year period for the firm. All right, but the problem is that at the end of the year, it is realized that B have only generated 16,000 of revenue. So could anyone of you please tell me whether B fulfilled his guarantee or not? Tell me everyone, whether B have fulfilled his promise or the guarantee or not. B earlier promised that he will be generating revenue of 25,000 per annum for the firm, but end of the year, it is realized that we have contributed only 16,000. So whether we have we have fulfilled his guarantee or not? Tell me.
No.
No. So is there any deficiency in his performance? Answer is yes. There is a deficiency.
Yes. There is.
He is unable to contribute how much? He contributed only 16,000. That means he underperformed and he contributed 9,000 less than what he have guaranteed. So that means that we will have to contribute the deficiency of 9,000 from his personal resources. Everybody getting this point? Since we have guaranteed that he will be maintaining a revenue of 25,000 for firm, but he is unable to contribute 25,000, but he only contributed 16,000. That means now since there is a deficiency and he is unable to fulfill his guarantee, so now he will be contributing towards his guaranteed amount, toward the deficiency. Deficiency of how much? There's a deficiency of 9,000 that we will have to bear from his personal resource, from his personal account. I hope this is clear now. So in point A, we are giving guarantee to C. All the partners collectively giving guarantee to C. A and B collectively giving guarantee to C. And in point B, B is giving guarantee to the firm that he will generate a revenue equals to 25,000. But he is unable to do so. And therefore, he will be bearing the deficiency of 9,000. He will bring 9,000 from his personal account. Is that clear, everyone? The question is clear to all of you. We will start with the solution. But just let me know whether the question is clear to all of you or not. Only then we will proceed with the solution. Tell me everyone, Mariam and Hiba and everyone else.
Yes, sir.
Question is clear. Okay. Okay. So could anyone also tell me, see, the firm is generating how much? The firm have generated 75,000 as profit, right? Firm have generated 75,000 as profit. So any one of you, could you please tell me if B have fulfilled his part of guarantee? Let's suppose if B have fulfilled his guarantee of generating a revenue of 25,000, then how much of the profit, how much profit would have the firm generated? Instead of 75,000, how much profit the firm would have generated if B fulfilled his part of guarantee?
Sir, 1 lakh.
1 lakh, okay. Anyone else? By the way, 1 lakh is not correct. Anyone else want to try? See, everyone, 75,000 already include 16,000, right? B is able to contribute 16,000, that is already included in the profit. So he is only, he have only
84,000.
Yeah, correct. So he will have to bring 9,000 from his personal account. So if he would have contributed 25,000 as he guaranteed, so total profit would have been 84,000 instead of 75,000. So there is a deficiency of only 9,000, na? There is a deficiency of only 9,000 from the part of B. So in order to find out the total amount of profit that would have, that firm would have generated if B have fulfilled as part of guarantee, then in such a situation firm would have generated 84,000 of profit. So let me show you how it will be done. Just a minute. So in this question, as usual, we will first of all prepare the P&L appropriation. So let's write down by net profit. Net profit that firm have generated is only 75,000. That includes 16,000 of revenue generated by firm, generated by B. But since there is a deficiency in the guarantee amount given by the B, so we will ask B to contribute further 9,000 from his personal account, right? So we will say that Mr. B, please bring in 9,000 more out of your capital. So we will write down by B's capital account 9,000 on the credit side of the P&L appropriation. Why so? Because B will be bringing in more 9,000 and this will increase the overall amount of profit. Is that clear, everyone? Since B have underperformed and unable to contribute 9,000, so 9,000 is a deficiency and this deficiency needed to be borne by B out of his personal account, that means out of his capital account. So whatever the amount that B will bring in as a part of the deficiency, this is going to increase the overall net profit. Is that right? So net profit earlier it was 75,000, but B, after fulfilling his part of guarantee, will bring in 9,000 out of his personal capital account. So this will eventually raise the total amount of profit to 84,000. Is that clear? So therefore we are showing it on the credit side eventually because B's contribution is going to increase the overall amount of profit. Is that clear, everyone? Why we are writing B's capital account on the credit side? Because B is contributing towards his deficiency. We will write down deficiency borne by B, 9,000. Is that clear, all of you? Do I need to explain it again? Guys, please let me know.
No,
Yes.
that's clear.
Everything
Understood.
is clear. Understood. Okay. Okay. All right. So now let's come back to the question. Now there is no interest on capital, interest on drawing, nothing, no salary, nothing that we needed to record on the debit side. So what we will do, we will simply total the credit side value and the whatever the amount that we will get, that will be considered as a divisible profit, and that divisible profit will be divided among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So let's do that. So we will write down 2 profit transfer to. Profit transfer to. Name of the partners A, B, and C. A, B, and C. A, B, and C. All right. Now see, total of the credit side will be 84,000. And since there is no item on the debit side, that means the divisible amount of profit will also be 84,000. But let's just divide 84,000 among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So 84,000 out of 84,000, A will get, depending upon his PSR. See, the profit sharing ratio was 3:2:1. That means A will be getting 3/6 share in profit, and B will be getting 84,000 into 2/6, and C will be getting 84,000 into 1/6. Is this clear, everyone? So let's just calculate the share in profit. So it will be just 84,000 divided by 6. It will be 14 into 3. So 42,000 will be the A share in the profit. 42,000. 28,000 will be B's share, and C's share will be 14,000. Got it, everyone? Is this clear to all of you? Is this calculation clear
Yes.
to all of you? Okay, now let's
Yes,
come
sir.
back to the question and read point number 8 and tell me what was the minimum guaranteed amount of C. C was promised by, since that, see, the question does not specify that who gave guarantee to C. So we will simply presume that Mr. A and B collectively have given the guarantee. All right, so C share of profit guaranteed to be not less than 15,000. So here you can see that C got only 14,000 instead of 15,000. All right, so there is a deficiency of how much? There is a deficiency of 1,000. Now
1,000.
tell me who is going to bear this deficiency and in what ratio such deficiency will be borne by the partners. Who is going to bear the deficiency of rupees 1,000? So let's just start, let me show you the calculation of deficiency. Deficiency of C's profit. So the guaranteed amount was 15,000. You only got 14,000. The deficiency is of 1,000 rupees. Now, who is going to share this deficiency? This deficiency will be shared by A and B collectively. Anyone, please tell me in what ratio they will be sharing this deficiency? In which ratio they will be sharing this deficiency? In which ratio they will be sharing this deficiency?
Full ratio.
Earlier the deficiency, earlier the ratio was 3:2:1, right? But since A and B only are required to bear the deficiency, that means the ratio will be 3:2. Is that correct? Ratio will be 3:2. So therefore, when you will calculate the deficiency in respect of A, he will have to bear 1,000 into 3/5. So that means he is going to bear 600, and B will be bearing 1,000 into 2/5. That means he is going to bear 400. All right, and C will be getting 1,000 more collectively from A and B. So that means C's total share in profit will be 15,000. B's total share in profit will be 27,600. And A's total share will be 41,400. Is that clear, everyone? Is this clear, all
Yes,
of
sir.
you? So now, as you can see, the credit and the debit side will tally. So I hope this question is also clear. Anyone having any doubt? Anyone wants to ask anything? Let me repeat everything once again. See, first of all, the net profit was already given in the question 75,000. But since we have given the guarantee that he will be at least generating a revenue for the firm equals to 25,000, but he's unable to generate that much of revenue. So that means he will have to bear toward the deficiency. He only managed to generate 16,000 as revenue for the firm. So that means there is a clear deficiency on his part of rupees 9,000. So this deficiency needed to be borne by B out of his personal account. That means he will be bringing in more money from his from his account. That means from his capital account. So this is going to eventually increase the total amount of profit. So now the total amount of profit will be 84,000. And now this 84,000 will get divided among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. And when we divided this profit among the partners in their profit sharing ratio, we realized that C, who have been guaranteed that he will be at least making 15,000 as revenue, it is realized that he only able to manage 14,000 as share in the profit. So now there is a deficiency of rupees 1,000 in the share in the profit. So that means the remaining 1,000 needed to be contributed by A and B in their profit sharing ratio. And earlier the profit sharing ratio was 3:2:1 among the partner, but since C is not there and only A and B will be contributing toward the loss, so the profit sharing ratio will be 3:2 only. And in this ratio, A and B have contributed towards the deficiency. So ultimately A's profit will be, instead of 42,000, it will be only 41,400. And B's profit, instead of 28,000, he will only get 27,600. And C will be getting at least guaranteed amount, that means 15,000. So this way we did this question. All right, everyone, is this clear to all of you or not? Question is still not completed. We are also required to pass the general entries in this question. Question C. At the very end of this question says that also pass the general entry. Clear, everyone? Question is asking us to prepare the pass the general entries also. So let's just do that. General entries are very easy. I'm sure that all of you already know how to pass the general entry and all of you are able to do that. So let me write it here. Journal entries. So we will start with the credit side of the P&L appropriation. So on the credit side, the first item was the profit. All right. So we will write down, since the profit has been written on the credit side of the P&L appropriation and it is brought forward from the profit and loss account. So we will write profit and uh, profit and loss account debit, profit and loss account debit to P&L appropriation account. P&L appropriation account. This is the entry for the profit. 75,000 and 75,000. B. Now let's again look at the P&L appropriation. Second item on the credit side in the P&L appropriation is B's capital account 9,000. So we will write down B's capital account debited. B's capital account debited to P&L appropriation account. P&L appropriation account. How much? 9,000. Is that clear, everyone? This general entry is clear to all of you. Now we will move to the debit aspect of the P&L appropriation. And here you will see on the debit side, we simply transfer the profit to the different partners in to their capital account. So A, B, and C's capital account has been debited. So we'll write down, not debited, in fact it was credited. So we'll write down profit and loss appropriation account was debited. So we will write down P&L appropriation account debit to P&L appropriation account debit to A's capital account, to B's capital account, and to C's capital account. Okay. So first of all, we divided the profit 42 with 28 and 14. 42, 42, 28, and 14,000. So P&L appropriation was debited by 84,000. Okay, is this clear also, everyone? General entries are clear, yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, the last entry is about the guarantee amount. So since there is a deficiency in the C share, so C is going to get 1,000 more. So that means C's capital account will be credited, but A's and B's account will be debited. So we'll write down A's capital account debit, A's capital account debit. A's capital account debit basically means that we are subtracting 600, 600 out of the A's capital account, and we will be subtracting 400 out of B's capital account, and the collective value of this amount will be credited to C's capital account. So C will be getting 1,000. So this will be the general entry. Okay, so A's capital account 600, B's capital account 400 to C's capital account. Done. So this is the entry for the guarantee. This is the entry for the divisible profit. This is for bringing in more capital out of the personal account by B towards the deficiency that he caused. And then finally, and the first one was about the profit. Okay, so we did 5 things in the P&L appropriation, and for all those things we passed the general entries. So I hope all these are clear to all of you. If anybody want to write anything, please let me know so that I can wait. Otherwise, we will start with the next question and move to the next page. Anyone writing it? Please let me know. Or just let me know when you are done. Tell me guys whether you are writing it or not. You want me to wait or shall we continue with the next question?
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. All right. So this is it. We did 2 questions. Now, okay. Now we will talk about question number 42. This is the last question that we are going to discuss in the topic of guarantee of profit. And from the next session onward, we will talk about the other concept. We will start with the adjustment topic. So, but this is going to be the last question, and I'm not going to solve this question. This is, since we are already out of time, it is already 9 o'clock here, and I need to start with a new batch, need to take the new session. So guys, please take the screenshot of this question. Question number 42 will be your homework. Okay, you need to solve this question, and do consider the very last point in this question, that you need to pass the general entries in the question. You are not required to prepare the P&L appropriation. Okay, so you are not required, you will be required to pass the general entries only. So I'll discuss this question with you in the next session also. But the point of discussion will not remain same in tomorrow's session. We will be talking about some other topic, but we will discuss this question. We will invest around 10-15 minutes solving this question if you are unable to solve it. And then we will start with a new topic. So I hope that all of you will try this question and will be able to solve it. Let me help you out a little. Let me help you that when you will solve this question now, see, it is clear that there are three part of PQNR. The profit sharing ratio is also clear. It is also written that our share in profit shall be at least 30,000 per annum. All right. So now the question tell you about three different situations. It tells you the profit of the 2018, 2019, and 2020. So guys, please consider all these situation a different case. This is case one, this is case B, and this is case C. The last one will be case C. All the cases are dealt separately. All the cases, you can consider that all these are the separate questions. You need to pass the general entries. If there is a profit of 1,20,000, you need to you need to pass the general entry if there is a profit of 1,80,000, and so you need to pass the general entries if there is a loss of 1,20,000. So consider all these situation as different cases. Okay. So all right, everyone, this is it for today's session. I want all of you to take the screenshot of this, and we will be talking about a few other topics in the next session. But that's it for today's class. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope all of you have taken this screenshot. We will be ending our session here at this point. We will continue from this point onward in the next session. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope everything that we discuss is clear to all of you. We'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Bye, everyone. Heba, Khushi, Ayan, Mariam, everyone else. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.